Racecar Mode. Oh, so the guy is in. Ready, set, go.
Okay.
Where's he going? Welcome to
Family Tour Review.
Awesome. Today we've got little Tikes, RC Wheelz, Dozer Racer, and Slammin Racer. JJ, show us what a Slammin Racer is. You slam it. Alright, let's open these up. Which one should we open up first? I guess we'll open up both.
No, this one.
Alright.
Let's see who can open it faster.
So this is the Dozer Racer, and it looks like some kind of a bulldozer.
Dozer Racer. Dozer Racer.
Oh, look. It's got
Dozer Racer.
it does like this square shape, and then it changes to this shape. That's kind of cool. Transforms.
And 2 in 1.
And it's got an easy to use remote control for the little Tikes. And
for those little fingers.
So here's what it looks like. This is what, like racing mode and Dozer mode. Oh yeah, look.
Which one do you think you like better?
You like Dozer mode better or racing mode?
Racing mode?
Alright, let's open it. This one is a what is this? This is a fire truck. Is this a fire truck?
Yeah.
This is a fire truck. Okay. Trying to escape from me.
I got it.
He escaped from his packaging. Pull that out. Alright. Cool. Alright, we just put the batteries in. It takes 6 AA batteries. And then I turn this on. Alright. And it should work, I believe. Whoa! Whoa! Now, do him Dozer mode. Whoa! And there's a bulldozer on this side. Racecar mode, Dozer mode, and Racecar mode. Oh, so the guy is a race car driver here, and then he's a construction worker right here. Awesome. Now, JJ, who do you think is gonna be faster? This racing Dozer or these Slammin Racers? Who do you think will be faster? They're pretty fast. Let's have a race, okay? You hit go, okay, JJ? And I'll slap on these, okay? We'll see which one goes the farther and which one's the fastest, okay? Ready, set, go.
Mine did not go either. 2-1.
It's not working? Right. Not yet then. When I say go, press closer. Ready, set, go. It's not working? Bulldozer. Okay, now do it in Racecar mode. That's cool. Okay, now do Bulldozer mode. Okay, now do Racecar mode. And ready, set, go.
Okay.
Bulldozer mode. Let's see how many vehicles it can bulldoze at once, okay? Mode. And then have him move. Where'd he go? Bulldozer mode. And then bulldoze. Awesome! He can bulldoze 2 vehicles. Now Racecar mode. Go! Run away! No, Racecar mode. Run away, Racecar! The race car caused an accident. The police needs to chase him. The fire truck needs to help. I like these vehicles because they go pretty fast and they're loud and they're kind of cool. And I like this one because it transforms, and when it transforms, it's got awesome 4-wheel track wheel thing going on. Okay, now.
It's race car and the booty boo.
Yeah, so it's kind of cool how it transforms. And then,
Yeah, I can do it.
Is he dancing? Do it as fast as you can.
Watch this.
What are you doing?
It looks like a race car would.
Oh, a race car. Yeah, that's a pretty cool race car. A 4-wheel race car, huh?
You're like, race it.
The bulldozer and race car? In the race car? Wait.